today shows the strength of feeling of health workers, but also there's a lot of members of the general public here. They're really concerned about Colin Barnett's government's plans to privatise hospitals. They're really concerned about their plans to sign a contract with Serco to run Fiona Stanley Hospital, which is supposed to be our flagship hospital of Western Australia.
Patient care being privatised.
No, look, we chose this time. Because it has the least impact on patient care. Our argument is not with patients. We're about positive patient care. Our argument is with the government. Clearly, things will be a little slower in public hospitals this afternoon, but no patients will be put at risk.
Are you actually expecting Colin to come out today?
Well, I think the fact that Colin Barnett was invited out here and didn't come shows the fact that he knows that privatisation isn't a popular issue with the West Australian public. It shows that he's too scared to talk to the West Australian public about his plans to privatise. Look, our members and the general public are absolutely determined to fight privatisation in public hospitals. They're going to do whatever it takes. We've launched action in the Magistrates Court because we believe that this privatisation is illegal. It contravenes an agreement that the government signed with us not very long ago. So, you know, we're going to do whatever it takes. Legal action, action by members, community rallies, whatever it takes to stop this government's plans to privatise our public hospitals.
Do you think they're panicking by trying to rush through this agreement instead, though?
Look, we were certainly told that the agreement wouldn't be signed till mid-next year, and now they're rushing to sign the contract. That shows they're panicking. That shows they know that community opposition is building to privatisation. But where people panic, where people rush, mistakes are made. And yet again, we are going to see contracts that don't cover work properly, that leave the West Australian public with public hospitals that aren't functioning efficiently. We saw it in the 90s, we're going to see it again.
So is this the first of many protests and strikes to come there?
Look, this is the first of many, many ways we're going to be putting pressure on the government. We're going to be putting pressure on the government right up to the next election. We're going to hold them accountable for the fact that they voted for privatisation last week in the Parliament. Every one of the government's members, except Vince Catania, voted for privatisation. They support privatising our hospitals. They support privatising our schools. They don't care that it affects patient care, and we've got to make them care. We've got to hold them accountable.